guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making dinner rolls or yeast rolls for you guys, so please stick around and watch this video. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe and like this video, and also leave me a comment down below. Please stay tuned and watch this video. The ingredients for the dinner rolls or the yeast rolls are: you're gonna need 2 cups of flour. You can use bread flour or all-purpose flour. If you don't got bread flour, you use all-purpose flour like me. I'm using all-purpose flour. And you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of melted butter or softened butter. You're gonna need 1 egg at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and ½ cup of milk. All of this for this recipe. I'm gonna start by activating the yeast. I have my ½ cup of milk and I have the 2 tablespoons of yeast, and I'm just gonna stir it around. And I'm just gonna add the yeast to activate for about 4 minutes. Just gonna leave this aside and let it activate. You're gonna know when it's activated because you're gonna see it's foamy. This is how you want it to look after 4 to 5 minutes. It's foamy like this. See, it's like this. If anything else, nothing else. If it's not foamy like this, you just throw away that yeast and start again. Now I'm gonna add the sugar to the flour. I'm gonna add the salt. I'm gonna add the egg, but I'm gonna beat the egg first. And I'm also gonna add the melted butter. Now I'm gonna add the yeast. And you just wanna go ahead now and give this a nice mix with a wooden spoon or whatever spoon you got. So after combining everything together, you're gonna have a sticky consistent like this. This is perfectly fine. This is just exactly how you want it. So now we're just gonna cover this up with some cling wrap. You're gonna put this in a warm area, not hot, not cold, but warm for the yeast to proof. So we're gonna put this somewhere to proof for at least 1 to 3 hours or overnight, depending on when you're gonna bake it. So we're just gonna leave this, put this to proof, and then come back. We're back 1.5 hours later, and this is what our dough looks like. This is what our dough looks like. See, it has increased in size and lots of air. See that? So you wanna let out all this here. So we're just gonna then we add some flour on top because this is really sticky. Just wanna take this out your bowl. Now I'm just gonna add a generous amount of flour on the surface because it's really sticky. You're just gonna knead the dough. You're gonna knead this for about 15 minutes. You just want to continue kneading until it's not sticky. So you want to knead it like this. Knead, 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 knead. And now I'm just gonna put this into my bowl. I'm gonna oil with some oil, some butter. You can use oil or butter to oil this. I'm just gonna cover this up with a clean dish towel. I'm gonna put this back right into the warm spot. A perfect warm spot is into the oven. You don't want the oven on, so you just put this into the oven or into the microwave and leave it for at least 30 minutes up to an hour, or until it increases in size. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and now I'm just gonna grease my baking tin, my baking tray or baking tin, whatever you guys got. You can use oil, parchment paper, or cooking spray. So I'm just greasing my tray. And now here's the dough, increase in size again. And now we're just gonna make our roll. Now we're just gonna make our rolls. You want to cut them equally so you got equal size rolls. What you do now, you're gonna just tuck this. You're gonna tuck this under like this. And then just gonna put them in your baking tray. You don't want them too close. Just tucking them over, folding them over continuously. And then you push them up like this. And then you fold under the bottom. You put them about an inch apart. Folding them. You're just gonna do this for all the dough and continue the steps. To finish making your roll, you wanna do an egg wash or you wanna wash them with butter. So you want to gently coat this with butter so it can have a beautiful golden look. And now we're just going to proof this again. Let it dough rise for at least half an hour again. I'm going to leave it to rise for half an hour. Now we're gonna bake. As you can see, I changed the dish to a smaller dish, and now we're gonna put them in the oven to bake for 20 minutes, 18-20 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our finished product, our dinner roll, our yeast roll. Look at these beautiful colors. If you want them to go a little longer, you can leave them a little longer than 18 to 20 minutes. Look at these nice little dinner rolls, guys, and they just come out the oven smelling so good. You know, fresh bread or fresh dinner roll always smell so good. Look at that steam coming out. It's so hot. And this is light and fluffy, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, I cannot even hold it because it's so hot. But I just want to show you guys how it is light and fluffy and nice, guys. If you already reached this point in the video, don't forget to like if you like this video and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and leave me a comment down below. Look at this, guys, it's so fluffy and nice. Ooh, can't wait to eat this with my chicken and gravy. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. So nice.